properties of a rose flower. It is red in color, soft to touch. It has good fragrance. Now let's see properties of a glass. Smooth to touch, breaks easily, and transparent. Now let's see properties of a plastic chair. Light in weight, hard, durable. It doesn't break easily. You can use it for long. Now let's see properties of a chair made of wood. Heavy, hard, and durable. Now let's see what the properties of a song can be. It can be melodious, lengthy, or short. Now let's see properties of a pillow. It can be soft and lightweight. Candy, sweet and lightweight. Cracker sounds loud. Gift paper, silky, colorful, lightweight. Sun, very, very hot, shines bright, very far. So we learned examples of some objects and their properties. Different materials are suitable for making different objects. Like paper is suitable for making notebooks to write. Glass is suitable for making window panes. Wood is suitable for making doors, table, chair, and other furniture. Steel is suitable for making scissors. Wool is suitable for making blankets. Cotton is suitable for making clothes and bed sheets. Plastic is suitable for making raincoats, carry bags, and small water bottles.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!